Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annie and today I and Lisa, my student, we are making slime.
Hi, and this is what we need to make slime. We need a box, two balls to contain to keep the slime. We need glitter, we need spoon, color, white glue, activator, and water. And let's go.
Let's go. First, we need the glue. Just put them all in the. Oh my God! Look at my spoon. It fell out. Put them all in a container.
And now we're gonna pour the water inside. We just pour a half.
Shake it. And then we put all the water in the glue. Mix them well. Next, we need the color.
Okay, that's one. Now we use pink. I cannot pour it in. Okay, is that enough? More.
See, believe is when we add some lotion in it, it will be stretchier. I hope so.
Okay, just a little bit.
So now it's time for the activator.
Okay. Just pour a little bit first. Okay, and mix it. Hope it's gonna work. Oh, it's worked.
After everything becoming like this.
So we need to use our hand to mix it.
Yeah, it's time for your hand. Dip your hand in here and make it work. Let's get dirty. Yeah. You like the feeling?
I don't think so.
Ew. Okay, just keep mixing.
That is nasty.
Pretty much. Okay, so this is what happened after like around 5 minutes of stretching, mixing, and growing. Okay, but mine is a little bit hard, so I will add some more lotion and mix them well.
Mine is working, but now look at my head. Look at.
See, messing up my room. Look at this. Okay, show me your slime on the comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.